Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a current backup before you change anything. Once ready, open settings using Start, the system tray, or press Win plus I or CMD plus on Mac OS. Make sure to save all open files so updates won't interrupt you. If a setting is unfamiliar, take a screenshot or jot down the original value. This makes rollback simple. Now locate the specific category you want to change, such as display, network, or privacy, and click to begin adjusting options. Start by changing one core area at a time. For example, adjust display resolution, scale, and night mode so readability is correct. Next, modify power settings and update policies to balance performance and stability. For network or privacy options, review permissions and toggle services deliberately so you understand impact. Make changes, then immediately test common tasks to confirm behavior. If multiple settings interact, change them in small steps, and once done, apply changes and restart the machine if prompted. Many adjustments require a reboot to take full effect. After reboot, verify performance, network access, and peripheral function. If you encounter problems, revert the recorded values or use your screenshots to restore original settings immediately. If the system won't boot or behaves unpredictably, boot into safe mode and use System Restore or a backup image to recover. Remember, gradual changes and good documentation make troubleshooting fast and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.